Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 Action Center not opening fix. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand policies, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, create new key named as Explorer. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Disable Notification Center, change value data to 0. Restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.